accident detection system with the help of YOLO algorithm and CNN. Basically, we are detecting accident with the YOLO algorithm as well as we are showing the comparison between CNN one. Okay, so this is the login page. So let me provide credentials. So after providing credential, it will give you the access if the credentials are correct. For first time, it will take time as it will loading all the libraries and models. So yeah, so this is the main screen. So as you can see, there are two algorithms are available. One is CNN, second one is YOLO V8. Okay. So first we'll go with YOLO V8 version. So let me click on this. So once you click, so here you can provide different input types. Whether you can provide video as well as images. So first I'll go with the image, and it has inbuilt alert system as well. So let me go to the dataset section. So here is one test data folder is there. So from here you can provide the input data just like this. So let me go to image one. So see, here are some images for the testing purpose. So let me select any one of these. So as we can see, system has detected the car key. This is related to accident, and yeah, it is. This image is uh, related to accident, right? So let me provide some other images. Let me provide some other images. Let test this fire one. So here you can also see system is also detecting the fire, right? If a car got fired, then it is also detecting this is vehicle fire, right? So it is saying it is also showing in percentage format as well, okay. So this way image model is working. Now let me pass the video thing. Okay, so let me go to test data and select some recorded video, uh, surveillance video. Okay, just like there are some videos are available. So let me select this one. Okay, so here you can see there is one car which is flipped, and this is related to accident, right? So system is detecting कि this is related to accident, right? As well as see there are alert system available. So if I go to my mail section, so here you can see system is continuously sending me alert message कि accident has detected along with the timestamp and image. Okay, so as you can see this is the recent image. So similar way, let's pass some other video. So let me select this fire one. So here you can also see okay, system is detecting this is a fire uh, art there. So system is detecting that, right? And if I now go to my mail address, so so in the bottom here you can see, right, the system has said be the accident image, right? So this way YOLO algorithm is working. Similar way CNN mod algorithm is working. Just the only difference is for the YOLO algorithm, we have around got 94% accuracy, and for CNN, we have got 85% accuracy. Okay, and YOLO algorithm is capable of detection as well as recognition. Okay, so YOLO algorithms doing both the things, but for CNN case, it is only doing recognition. Okay, because CNN work like that. And let me provide some input data for CNN images. So just like let me select this one. Okay, so here you can see it is recognizing the image. Okay, but YOLO is also detecting. So YOLO is far better than CNN. Even YOLO is also built on CNN only, but for this case we have built our own neural network and we have trained the model. Okay, so YOLO is CNN is also working, but YOLO having more good accuracy. Okay, so same way if I pass some video, no, let me select some recorded video like here this one. You can provide your own input data as well. Okay, so it will work. So this is the input video, and CNN algorithm are giving low performance as compared to YOLO. So here you can see the system has detected accident may occur. So accident. So you can see system detecting the accident is there. So this way CNN is working. Okay. So yeah, this is the all system. And if I show you the accuracy part, so if I go to project folder, so there is one notebook folder is there. So if you go to inside notebook folder, there are two sub files are available: YOLO accident detection and one is CNN accident detection. So if I open CNN file, so here you can see there is complete training code is available along with graphs and accuracies. Okay. Similar way, if I go to YOLO accident detection file, so here is also complete training data is available, dataset, training code, everything is available, and we have utilized the latest YOLO version 8 architecture. So that's why it is a very good, giving very good accuracy, because this module is one of the accurate model of YOLO version. Okay, so as you can see, we have got 94% accuracy, precision, and F1 score is just 0.33. Recall is also around 94. Okay, and precision it is also 76. So yeah, so our YOLO model is working very good. Okay, so yeah, this is about the system. Do let me know in case of any issue or doubt. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.